so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May Birchbox. Look how beautiful the box is this month. I feel like I'm always complimenting the boxes, but this might be my favorite one ever. Love the blue, love the floral print. So beautiful. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing the May box, and then at the end of the video, I will review the products from April that I tried. So if you don't know what Birchbox is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. It actually was my very first subscription box. I've been getting it, I think, for like 7 years now. So for new subscribers, it is $15 a month. I do have a referral link that will get you $9 off your first 3 months. So I will leave that down below if you are interested. So you get mostly sample or deluxe size items in this box, and it's been kind of hit or miss, probably mostly miss, but I feel like it's getting a little bit better, so we're gonna have to see what's in this month. They have the option to customize your box, so on the 28th of the month prior, you can go and log into your account, and you can either choose a curated box. Usually they have about 3 or 4 options. They do sell out pretty quickly, or you can choose a sample, which is typically what I always do and did this month. You can swap your box out for a full-size item that's featured that month, or you can have it be a total surprise. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So lately, the card that has information on the products, the back side has like a beauty tip. So it says Birchbox tip 123. For the next 10 minutes, enjoy some you time. You deserve it. I guess I will. I'll be unboxing probably for the next 10 minutes. So you generally get like 5 to 6 items. It looks like we have 6 items this month. And the theme is take some time for yourself with the products below, and it'll give a little description and also the full size pricing. So let's get a little sneak peek of what is inside. Something dropped out. So there's another card in here. It says Female Founder Collection in Birchbox, Women Are Power. Oh, so it looks like this is in partnership with the Female Founder Collective. And there's just some like girl bosses on there talking about their experience. So one is the founder of Birchbox, and then some other high up in their company. So cool. So I guess everything is woman founded this month. And you guys, I think we might have a full-size item, which is kind of rare for Birchbox, so let's start with that. So this is by Model Co. It's the Instant Brows Retractable Brow Pencil in light medium. Oh man, I was just saying how I am looking for the perfect brow shape for me. Hopefully this one works out. I used a combination of 2 different brow products today. I'm not sure how it looks. Let's get this out and see what it looks like. So when you sign up, you do fill out a beauty profile, so I'm glad they followed that. Light medium is definitely more my shade. A lot of times in beauty boxes, they'll just send like a universal brow pencil that tends to be too dark for me as a blonde, or it'll be like a brown shade. So, oh cute, it's pink. And it looks like it's dual ended, so there's probably a spoolie on one end. Yep, there's a spoolie there. And then here is the product. Oh, nice. I like how it is curved. I don't know if you can tell. Let's do a swatch. This looks like it might be a good shade match. So there it is right there. It's definitely light, so that could definitely work for blondes. I am so excited to try this out. And this is definitely full size. How exciting. So let's see how much this costs. So this is $18, so this is more than the price for the box. So this pencil helps spot fill any sparse areas on the eyebrow with a soft and buildable formula. Use a brush on the end to shape, comb, and blend the color evenly through your brows. Oh man, I can't wait to try this out. As usual, next month I will keep you updated on this. I'll do a little mini review at the end of my video as always. Okay, next product. Oh, interesting. This is by Type 8, aluminum-free deodorant, sweat-activated technology. And this fragrance is the Visionary Clean Crisp Citron. So I think this is one of those deodorants. Is it a roll-on, or because I've gotten them before, I haven't tried it yet, where you have to actually like use your fingers, but no, okay, so it comes out like that. There's like 3 little holes there. Nice. So in my most recent favorites video, I talked about a natural deodorant that I have been liking. A lot of natural deodorants, they're pretty much considered natural if they don't contain aluminum, but a lot of them would irritate my skin because they oftentimes contain baking soda and essential oils, but the one I mentioned in my video doesn't, so I'll link that down below. But let's see what is in this. So it is aluminum free, and I guess I should say too that you don't need a natural deodorant. Aluminum has not been found in any studies to actually have any harmful effects. But let's get back to the product. So there are some essential oils in here, and it has sodium bicarbonate, which I think my last deodorant I talked about did too, which I believe is like baking soda. But I'm definitely going to try this out, and this is a good size. This is 15 grams. I'm not sure if this is considered full size or not, but it says the full size is $9.99. I think this might be the full size because for deodorant, like this is a pretty typical size, I would say. So this aluminum-free and all-natural deodorant formula releases odor and wetness fighters throughout the day for long-lasting protection and a crisp, clean scent. I just kind of want to like squeeze it out and see how it comes out. Yeah, it's definitely full, so you can kind of see it there. Smells really good. I'm putting deodorant on my hand. Why not? So it feels nice. Definitely absorbs, it doesn't leave any like residue or color or anything like that. So I'm actually excited to try this out. The next item is what I chose, and I actually chose a hair product. So I'm all about like skincare and makeup, but I realized I have been kind of neglecting my hair, so I want to take better care of that, and I've been working on it. But this is by Oribe, and it's their split end seal. So I picked this because I haven't cut my hair, I realize, in over a year, and I am getting some split ends. Like my hair is extra long, so I thought like if this could seal in the split ends, like that would be great, because of course like when I finally want to get a haircut, salons aren't open. Maybe they'll be opening soon because Florida's kind of opening, but I think I just want what I can't have, you know. So this is definitely not full size. The full size would be $48. Oribe is a very expensive brand, but I do like their hair products. So it says this silky hair serum and split end mender is clinically proven to restore and preserve strands, work into damp or dry hair to repair and protect. So yeah, I'm excited to see if this helps. Oh, we have some other Oribe products in here, just foil packets, but it's the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo and the conditioner. So I like to keep these for travel, which hopefully I will be doing soon. But I've heard great things about this. I actually received the shampoo in my Beautylish bag, but I ended up selling it on my Mercari store because I've been, I have like such a strict hair regimen. I shouldn't say strict, but I really like the hair products I'm using currently. So for the shampoo and conditioner, the full size ranges from $49 to $52. Like that is an expensive shampoo. It says this repairing shampoo and conditioner duo rejuvenates and strengthens damaged hair with centuries-old healing oils and extracts like cypress, argan, and marijuana. 2 items left. Next up, this is something I've received in boxes in the past and actually had the full size, and I like it. This is Kate Somerville Exfoliates. It's an intensive exfoliating treatment. So another sample size, but you really only need a little, and I personally recommend only using a physical exfoliant once a week. If you do any more than that, it could be a little too abrasive or harsh on your skin. So I like to use chemical exfoliators like 3 days a week and physical exfoliators once. So this would be considered a physical because it's like a scrub. And it says use 1 to 2 times a week. Okay, good. So they put that on their directions. So this is like a green color, if I remember correctly, and it does work really well. It's a little harsher than other exfoliants I've used, facial exfoliants. So yeah, I would definitely start off with once a week. So the full size of this is $85. What? The signature product exfoliates dull and dry skin to reveal smoother, radiant skin in less than 2 minutes. Use once or twice a week. I actually just added some Kate Somerville products to my Ipsy, and I think I did for my FabFitFun, so look out for like a Kate Somerville review, skincare review coming soon. But now let's talk about the last item in here, and this is by Manna Kadar, and it's their mini lip tint in Haze. So I've been really loving lip oils. I wonder if this has a similar consistency. It has a safety seal, so let me get that off. So the full size of the lip tint would be $19. And it says this hydrating lip tint works great alone or on top of your favorite lip color to give your lips a hint of sheer pink that shines. So I love stuff like this, like moisturizing things like lip oils that give hydration and just a little bit of color and shine for like a daily basis, like now when I'm filming. It looks very clear. Yeah, so it's very clear. Like I don't really even see the pink. Can you guys see that there? So does it have a scent? It has a little bit of a fruity fragrance. And it doesn't feel sticky. It kind of feels like the oil, so I'm excited to use this. This is good to throw in a purse, especially like a mini purse. I tend to wear smaller bags in the summertime, so nice. So that was everything, and I am happy with this month's box, you guys. Okay, first of all, we got a full-size product, and it's a brow product, and that's something I'm like in search of, so I'm so excited to try this out. That's more than the what I paid for the box. And everything else, like the natural deodorant, like I said, you don't need natural deodorants, they're not like necessary, but I do like trying them. So I will definitely test this out. The split end seal I'm excited about. I don't really get excited about foil packets, but like I said, I like have a little bin I keep like travel size stuff in, so when I do travel, I'll throw this in there. And the lip tint, even though it doesn't really seem like much of a tint, I'll definitely use that because that's a product I use all the time. I cannot stand dry lips. So I would love to know your thoughts down below on what you thought of the May box, and if you get Birchbox, I'd love to hear what you received this month. But now let's move on to the review for April. So I kept my card so I'd remember everything we received. Last month I received 5 products, and I have 4 of them in here. The one I didn't try or keep for myself was by IBY. It was an eyeshadow single from their City Limits palette, and I already own that palette and I love it so much. So I threw that eyeshadow single as like a little bonus for my Mercari store. Whenever I have like extra little samples and stuff like that, I like to put extras in there. If you guys were wondering, I do have a Mercari store. A lot of stuff is sold out, but I plan on adding more in there. I always leave the link down below. Shameless plug. Item I probably used the most was actually a hair product, and I used it today. So this is by Nature Lab Tokyo. I really like this hair brand. This is their Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion. So you can use this on wet or dry hair. I use it on dry hair, and the way I use it is to I just put a little bit of my fingers in this, go like this to get any flyaways gone. So yeah, you can apply it to damp hair before blow drying. I usually air dry my hair just to get less heat on it, but I do have naturally straight hair, but you know, I still get like little flyaways and stuff like that, and just a little bit of this helps a lot, and it smells good. So yeah, I use it most days and it's still full. So this wasn't a full size, but definitely is lasting me, it'll last months. So, because I can't even tell where, it's like gotta be up to here. So this was definitely my favorite and most used item, which is shocking, hair care. There's another hair product we received that I haven't tried yet. This is by R&Co. It's the Moisture and Shine Cream. I just have other similar products to this open, so I have not tried it yet. So you use this on towel dried hair and blow dry. It can also be like a leave-in conditioner, so I'll probably use it as like a leave-in conditioner once I get to it. Again, I'll probably throw this in my travel bin for when I go somewhere, hopefully soon. I could use this as my leave-in conditioner on the go. I really do like R&Co products. They are an expensive brand, but I do think the quality is there. The product I chose last month was a lip gloss by Steele. It's so cute and little. I do really like this. I was gonna put it on today, but lately I've been having a problem with getting lipstick on my teeth, and when I have a liquid lipstick on and then I put a gloss, I feel like that's when it happens. Maybe I'll still put it on, but yeah, it's mini, it's cute. I've worn it a handful of times. It's not like I wear it every day, but it is really pretty and comfortable, so that is it right there. So I do really like this, and I mentioned this earlier, I like smaller lip products for my bag, especially in the summertime when I have smaller purses and stuff like that, so this is a good one. And the last item I have here to talk about, I actually only used it for the first time today, but I was really excited to get it. I'm still excited to have it. This is by Kula, and it's their makeup setting spray. So it's a setting spray, and it also has SPF 30. The reason why I haven't used it yet is because I wanted to just like have this in my purse on the go, like if I felt like I needed a little like sprucing up of my makeup, and also some extra SPF protection. I love SPF. I would not rely on this solely for your SPF or sunscreen. You should definitely put sunscreen on first, but I love that it has a little bit of added protection. So after I did my makeup, I did put it on, and it seems like it did a fine job. I'm used to using like my Pixie Glow Mist. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the spray that always adds like more of a glow to my skin. So I'm used to my setting sprays being more like glowy, but this does a job. And definitely make sure you close your eyes when you use this if you have it. because it has SPF in it, and I opened my eyes too soon. It kind of stung for a second. Like, it wasn't bad, but it definitely seems like you're putting on sunscreen. But the sprayer is nice on this, and yeah, I think I will definitely get a lot of use out of this once I'm outside more enjoying the warm weather. So that was everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all safe, well, and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.